Hi, good evening, viewers. Today problem is 2 bus tickets from Madhuravada to Vizag railway station and 3 tickets from Madhuravada to complex cost 77 rupees, but 3 tickets from Madhuravada to railway station and 2 tickets from Madhuravada to complex cost 73 rupees. What are the fares for railway station and complex from Madhuravada? Here two equations can be formed. So let the fare for Madhuravada to railway station be X, and the fare from Madhuravada to complex by. So according to the problem, two equations can be formed. How? 2 bus tickets from Madhuravada to railway station, that means 2x. 3 tickets from Madhuravada to complex 3y is equal to 77, and 3 tickets from Madhuravada to railway station, that means 3x. 2 tickets from Madhuravada to complex 73, that means 2y is equal to 73. By solving x and y, we can get the fares for railway station and complex from Madhuravada. So here x terms are not equal. By equating the x terms, first let it be 1 and let it be 2. Multiplying the first equation with 3, then we get 6x plus 9y is equal to 3 into 77. 3 7s 21, 1, 2 carry, 3 7s 21, 21 plus 2, 231. Like that, in the same way, we multiply the second equation with 2. 2 3s 6x, 2 2 4, 4y plus 2 into 2y 4y is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Here if you subtract, the x terms can be cancelled, and here you will get minus. So 5y is equal to, here we are subtracting, now you will get minus. By subtracting this, you will get 5, 12 minus 4, 8, so 85. So by taking 5 to right side, it will divide. 5 ones, 5 17s. So substitute the value of y in 1. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 77. So 2x plus 3 into y value 17 is equal to 77. 2x plus 3 17s are 51 is equal to 77. So 2x is equal to 77. Taking 51 to right side, it becomes minus 51. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 1, 6, 7 minus 5, 2. So from this, if you take 2 right side, it will divide. 2 ones, 2 13s. From this, what you assumed already before, the fare for Madhuravada to railway station be x. That means the fare for Madhuravada to railway station is 13 rupees, and the fare from Madhuravada to complex is 17 rupees. The fare for Madhuravada to railway station is 13 rupees, and the fare for Madhuravada to complex is 17 rupees. Like this we can solve the problem. If you not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe. Support me. Thank you.